Hi guys, it's me again with Elsa Kamarian, but she's taking a break, but I'm not, so I'm gonna be in this video. And today we're gonna show you the best features about the Nerf Elite EX. So look, okay, wait, okay. So take the bullets out. Okay, so the best features I think is because this right here, like the aiming is so good, but you're gonna need a scope. And see these are the Nerf gun, the Nerf modulus regulator. See, I got the pieces. Anyway, this is the bullets that I'm using from that big gun. And so the best part about it, you can use any bullet to go with this Nerf gun. Okay. And when you shoot, you can just shoot like this. Like go, grab it.
That's why there's prescription Apoquel, a revolutionary medicine that's giving millions of dogs the relief they deserve. Apoquel goes to the source of the itch to provide relief in as little as 4 hours. And
it's so easy to plop. Just go like this. Just go like. Look, just go like.
Do not use Apoquel in dogs
that easy.
or those with serious infections. Apoquel may increase the chance of developing serious infections and may cause
Okay, thank you guys for watching my video, and thumbs up and subscribe if you like the video, and leave comments below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.